This is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you my last shopping haul from when I visited Country Craft Creations. They are located in West Haven, Utah, and even if you can't go to the store, you can purchase online. Uh, well, let me get started. So I picked up this Boho Sunshine paper pad. It just, to me, is a good all-purpose paper pad. I do intend on making cards with this, but you never know. I might make a small folio or some kind of mini album. I liked the colors, I liked the motifs in there. So it just was a lot of fun. And then to go along with that, I picked up, and I'll show you other things outside of the package, but uh, I picked up the Boho Sunshine floral bits and pieces. So you can see there's rainbows, there's flowers, there's smiley faces, butterflies. So fun things to put on cards. And in addition to that, the Boho Sunshine ephemera bits and pieces. So this has a couple of words like be happy and hello. It's got the VW bus, sunshine, banners, snail, more rainbows, a chair. I don't know why chairs are a thing in scrapbook paper, but they are. So anyhow, I picked that up from the Country Craft Creation site, and that will make some fun things. I picked up a couple of single pieces of paper, mainly because, again, to make cards. And I'm in a card club where every month somebody makes cards and sends out to the other 11 people in the card club. And I just thought that this paper, it's from Sunflower Summer from Cardabella, would make some beautiful cards. Especially by the time I need to make the cards again, which is towards the latter part of the year. So just a couple of single pieces of paper. Couple of single pieces of paper from the Willow Creek Highlands, and again to make cards. I've been on a chickeny mood lately. I got a chicken stamp, and so this has the chicken wire background. I think that's a good size for some cards. So there's that. Oh, here's another Sunflower Summer. Oh, I loved this paper. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. So I got 3 of those because I thought it was so pretty. I don't know if I'll use those. I mean, you could fussy cut those and put them on cards, but that goes with the other papers that I picked up. Isn't that gorgeous? That plus the green. I mean, could you see that as cards? So there is that. And I did pick up the Willow Creek Highlands in a previous haul, so check my channel. Make sure I posted that. Uh, I usually don't go for glitter paper, but this is the no shed glitter. Look, there's nothing on my hand after you do that. And it was a pretty color, and two, I got this cord, which is almost a bronzy color, but it matched nicely, and I have some paper that would go with this to make a really pretty card. So I just picked up those 2 things. And while we're on the subject of ribbon, Tamara at Country Craft Creations picked up some new ribbon for her shop. So look at this. It's like a pumpkin orange on one side, and then the other side is a black, and both of them have. So the pumpkin orange side has the black on the edges, and the black one has the pumpkin orange on the edges. This one is a brown with a tan. So I just thought these were really pretty ribbons, and I picked that up. I'm sure you'll see that in some future projects. There was one with a blue that went really nice with collections. Our friend Tiffany from from yeah, Let's Get Scrappy purchased some a while ago. So I have a friend who's going to be in Yellowstone for the summer, and this would be a perfect paper for them. Um, Yellowstone is right near the Tetons, and there actually is a map of the Tetons in here. So I thought that would be a lot of fun. And there's, of course, rodeos and cowboys and guitars and that kind of thing. So this would make either a great little mini album or to make a bunch of cards. And even the guitars, you know, that would be good for any kid that or person who likes guitars. I just a fun collection to do something with. All right, and then I picked up some Doodlebug. This actually is from the Bunny Hop assortment. But you know the Doodlebug colors all match with all of the other Doodlebug collections. With that one, I picked up Chit Chat from Hey Cupcake. I took some out of the package so you can see all of the different, not all, because I left some in here, but I have some ephemera left over from the Cute Crafty collection. I have some from, oh, I don't know, several different collections, and I thought the plain paper, the chit chat for birthdays, and the ephemera would make some great birthday cards. And there was the boy and the girl. I chose these brighter colors because I like them, and I also have more girls to give cards to than boys. So that's my real quick haul from things I picked up at Country Craft Creations. I will put the link on below as to the website and a couple of the links. This isn't available at the store anymore. That was a pop-up Doodlebug shop. The rest of everything as of this moment is available. So hurry up and get it before it all sells out. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.